We get a lot of Defender commercials here at Acklam and we sell a lot of them. Now, to try and go and replace this one would be incredibly difficult, and let me tell you why. It's been privately owned, so it's not subject to any VAT. 23 registration, done 23,000 miles, one owner from new. It's a D300 X-Dynamic HSE with spec like I've never seen before. It's been exterior styled as well, wide arches, upgraded 22s, rear spoiler, black pack. But it's then got options like comfort and convenience pack, which you maybe didn't even know you can get on a commercial. Wireless charger, refrigerator is part of that pack. Cold climate pack, giving you a heated wheel, heated jet washer, air suspension, heavy duty tow bar. Just a fantastic example of a commercial. Finished in Santorini black. It's just been used as a car, hence the reason why there's no VAT. But they are still massive financial benefits when bought in a business name. 22-inch wheels, finished in black. Front and rear mud flaps, fixed side steps. Just have a little glance across as well. So dark cross beam on the interior. X-Dynamic HSE obviously gives you everything that you could have got at the time anyway, as far as heated seats, cooled seats, larger media screen, ClearSight rear view camera, but air suspension, tow bar, comfort and convenience, cold climate pack on top of the style, and then the fact it's that rare choice or rare option, the fact it has no VAT to be paid. Rear tail lights have been tinted, rear spoiler, huge amounts of cargo space with it being the 110, tow bar which I mentioned earlier, air suspension can be controlled from both the back panel plus next to the gear stick as well. So fantastic car this. Now we sell plenty of Defender commercials week in, week out, because the people who are buying them understand the financial benefits that you have when you buy a car like this, but then you get to drive a Defender, which is the best selling SUV that we've had of probably the last few years, but then you get to drive one in a company name, all the financial benefits, just absolute no-brainer. D300 as well, so standard engine at this time would have been a 250, this is a D300. It's just got absolutely everything going in its favour. 23,000 miles, very well looked after. Heated wheel I've already mentioned, but then you then got adaptive cruise lane, keep assist, digital dash, Meridian sound system, the memory setting seats for this, heated seats, cooled seats. ClearSight rear view is a big one on the commercial as well, because traditionally obviously you just look through the bulkhead, but with that HSE camera goes straight through the rear view mirror. Refrigerator under the armrest, very hard to get your hands on. Wireless charger, 360 cameras, aerial view, 3D mode, absolutely everything you can want in a commercial. Looks fantastic, low mileage, no VAT. Even if you're a VAT registered business, it still doesn't just mean you don't have to play around with the whole VAT scenario. So if you've been waiting for us to get something in like this, D300 X-Dynamic HSE, long list of spec, exterior styled, low mileage, just a fantastic car. If you're interested, I can guarantee there'll be quite a lot of you who are. So act fast, give me a call on my mobile number in the description, and I look forward to speaking to you.